like going over these bumps, it's not that stiff.
No, it's all BCs and it's all been set up.
Yo, look at the speed! Yeah, now. Yo, this car is rapid. Hey D, sell us this, bro. Come on.
It's gonna got a lot more power, yeah.
Yeah, because I've seen it a couple of times. It kicks out the back. Fucking hell, are you drifting that? Is that wheel arching?
Yeah, because the car sits wide.
Yeah.
It's activated as the most aggressive setting gear.
Right. What the fuck? So wait, you can just do that whilst driving?
Yes.
No way. What the fuck? So whilst driving, you can just say it, start popping it
Yeah,
back. Fucking hell, yo. Yo, this car's like glue. It's like a little go-kart.
Indigo Production.
Welcome back to the video. So today we are joined by D. Now I think you've already heard this car in the Spec car meet, and you've seen it here last time when I came as well. So this is a Golf R, but it's not the same engine as my S3. It's totally different. So D, speak us through it.
Alright, so what we got here is Mk6R. I bought it, decided I want something different. I love the R, one of my favourite cars, but we're doing a bit of a change to this one. We've got a 2016 Audi Rs3 engine and gearbox into this. It's all fully wired up, everything's all running factory ECU, all rad packs all been fitted in, all the water pipes all been done clean as they can. The car does need a bit of tidying up in places, which is slowly getting done. It's ordered a lot more upgrades for it. I'm still considering maybe going with a big GTX turbo down the side here. That's my new plan, I think, for the new year.
But then, do you think you're going to have to change the pistons as well?
Yeah, we're going to have to build engines, so I'm going to work on that and what I need to get together.
Yeah.
But a nice GT676R is going to look amazing out there.
So what's it running now?
At the moment it's 520 horsepower.
520.
700 would be my good happy spot with heavy aggression.
I'm just looking at this, you've got spaces on there as well.
No, because the car's running RS3 front tubular subframe, RS4 knuckles, RS3 hubs, and the SAT R36 bottom arms.
Right.
The whole car is wider now.
Ah, right.
There's no spaces on it.
Oh, right. And then all of this work has been done in-house, isn't it?
In-house at Eurospec and by me. Yeah.
So is this the only one in UK?
Running CZG running gear, yeah.
Now you do have another
3-inch full exhaust all the way through. Yeah, we've got another Mk6R running SEPA, but we've not finished that yet.
But is that the same engine, or is that the engine
that's a
out
slightly
of the
older RS3 8B engine. This is the RS3 8B. Same with Sam's. Must be over there.
So this has got the same engine as that one, 8B one.
All in here.
Yeah, that is beautiful. So let's go for a little drive, and then we'll see what's happening. Sick that. How is it on fuel though?
This?
Yeah.
It is quite heavy on fuel.
Is it?
That does not bother me. I've come from every car.
Oh right, yeah. No, you gotta pay the sacrifice.
6 litre or 5.5 by turbo Mercs or 4 litre V8 C63s.
Look at the speedboat drive! Fucking hell! Yo!
Here's a good one.
Fuck! Yo, that is quick, that you feeling the chest in it?
And I still have a small boost leak on the inlet manifold that we found yesterday.
Bloody hell.
Arrived to fix it.
Yo, that is too fucking quick though.
So last on the dyno, we had it 500 brake.
500
revisions.
Yeah.
Take it to about 520.
Right.
Just ordered a meth kit for it.
Yeah.
And obviously some parts to fix.
So it's not running meth now?
No.
No meth now. Now bear in mind, we are 3 man deep. So that means when it's just you driving, it's even faster, isn't it? Fucking hell. Oh, what's the torque on it?
Torque's about 600 newtons.
680.
Yeah, so I've set everything 4 inside the engine file.
It does pull in it, more traps. You're loving it. How much have you spent on it? The whole car?
I've put so much into it, I've lost track. I spent money having it all repainted,
Yeah.
AC coilovers for an Rs3 and then modified them for this car. This tubular subframes front and rear. The modified anti-roll links. So it's all adjustable.
Yeah.
Having suspension set up, the TTRS seats that we're sat in now.
Yeah, but oh yeah, these are TTRS, isn't it?
Yeah, I was going to say that before.
Would you ever sell it though?
No,
Never.
It's not like
So,
a Ferrari,
what-
I can park this anywhere, it looks like a Golf.
Yeah,
It's not
yeah,
a
I know,
Golf,
I know,
it's
yeah,
just
yeah.
so fun.
And it's
I love
crazy because the value of these are totally different to the S3 AP.
Yeah.
Even though they have like pretty much the same engine, but these all I love this shape.
I love the Mk6,
Yeah.
it's one of my favourite shapes. There is a few things I need to finish off with this car yet, like...
I'd say, do you know the Golf R headlights at the front?
Yeah.
I'd say you get them ones, like I did in my
the
Golf.
GTI ones then?
You like the GTI ones?
No, these, I like these R ones.
Oh, right. Bloody hell, the brakes are good as well, isn't it?
Brakes well.
What are the brakes?
Rs6 brakes.
Rs6?
Calipers with Rs3 discs.
Same as back ones?
Back ones are just Rs3 APs.
AP ones, right. What about that one that you're building now? You're going to raffle that one off, innit?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's just going to be just standard Rs3 AP building it.
Right.
Nowhere near as crazy as mine.
Yeah. Yeah, because you got to make yours one of a kind, innit? You can't
Mine
make
is
a
one of a
duplicate
kind.
of
I love mine, I just love the sound of it. It's just solid. It's great.
Resonators, they've gone in it.
Just straight 3-inch all the way from
All the
turbo
way.
to that. That's what's loud like.
Yeah.
In this situation.
What about on like motorway?
Yeah.
It's not. It's just jarring, isn't it? Just
If you're chilling about 70,
Yeah.
it's okay. Any higher
Right.
speeds,
right.
then
Then it's just like too much.
noisy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I will get a straight pipe to make me a resonator.
Right. Oh, you're
Some
gonna put that
point.
in
Yeah.
because it's just, right.
I've been doing a bit of travelling and stuff.
Oh, right.
It does need to
Do
get.
you like it more than the Ferrari you've got?
It's just a completely different car
Yeah.
as well. I get my Ferrari and that's just like, wow, this thing's insane. And then I get back in this car and it's just so fun.
Yeah.
Because I can park it anywhere I want to park it.
Yeah, yeah.
Use it, get about. It looks like a Golf.
Yeah.
And it's comfortable as well. With the Ferrari.
I know when we're like going over these bumps, it's not that stiff.
No, it's not BCs and it's all been set up
Yeah.
by suspension secrets. It's got the tubular subframes.
Yeah.
It'll be even better once I finish off the small boost leak it's got in my other
Yeah.
upgrades.
Have you found where the boost leak is?
Yeah, we smoke tested it yesterday. It's going
Yeah.
to inlet manifold.
Right. Now we're getting on the motorway.
Just drove
I
it.
can feel droning. Yo, look at the speed! Yeah, now. Hey, these Rs6 brakes are fucking sick. Yo, this car is rocking. Bro, the speedo is like it doesn't even pause. It's just.
It's going.
It's planted as well. See how it's hooking the road, bro?
It's solid.
Yeah, it's like it's sick. Hey D, sell us this, bro. Come on.
It's going to got a lot more power, yeah.
Yo, that sounds sick as well when you let it go. So what turbo has it got in it?
It's got a TT500 plus.
GT500 plus.
Yeah, turbo engineers. Lovely turbo on it.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go bigger turbo now. I'm just trying to decide what I'm going for.
Right.
Whether I go with the modified TT700 version.
Yeah.
Or I go Garrett GTX 3076R
Right.
with external manifold.
The TT700, is that the one in Austin's TTRS?
He's running a pure 700.
Pure 700.
Yeah. So we could go TT700.
Right.
It's been modified with actuator into a different angle, so
Yeah.
I might be able to just clear the brake booster.
Right,
on
right.
this. The problem I've got with this car is space.
Right.
But that's a risk that I have to take.
Yeah.
whether That will fit.
Space in the engine bay.
Yes.
Right.
Whereas if I go where the original battery was
Yeah, yeah,
and use a GTX manifold
yeah.
for the Garrett Series Turbo,
Right.
I could use a link pipe
Mm-hmm.
to move the V-band clamp down to where the battery would originally be, because now it's in the boot.
So the battery's in the boot now.
Yeah, the battery's been moved to the
Right.
boot, so I could use
Just
a
so
link
you got
pipe.
more space there.
Yeah, just for the intake, and also weight.
Mm.
You add a little bit of weight to the back.
Right, right.
So I could really go with the link pipe and a side-mounted turbo. And
Right.
that would be literally insane.
Is it still working off a Haldex system?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's on TTRS Daza back axle.
Right.
I've got an upgraded prop on it with aluminium.
So is that more power at the back than
It
front?
does kick on the back.
Yeah, yeah, because I've seen it a couple of times. It kicks
Yeah,
out the back.
it will.
Fucking hell, are you drifting that?
And it's so fun. It's predictable.
Hey, it's
where
fucking
it
mad,
wants
it's
to go,
fucking
and
rapid,
I have a
this.
lot of fun on this.
It's a sick car, this.
Being 4-wheel drive, you can just enjoy it. Especially
Yeah.
when it's snowing last year. I had so much fun.
Yeah. So you got the perfect cars now, because when it's sunny, maybe the Ferrari out.
Oh, the
when it's
Evo.
like snow.
I got my Evo.
You got Evo as
yeah.
well?
My red Evo. Have you not seen the red Evo?
No, I've not seen
No,
the
no.
red one.
My red Evo's got all Evo 7.
No,
winning
right.
gear in
I
it.
thought all them
Evo 9
Evos in
turbo.
there was just Sam's.
Oh, my dad's got a black Evo 3.
Yeah.
I've got silver Evo 3 in the corner of the unit.
Oh, right.
That I'm gonna
Oh,
do
that
a big-
silvery one's yours?
That's going to be a big, big build soon. And then I've got the red Evo 3, which
Yeah.
does need a few bits doing to it. But
Are they at the
drive-wise-
unit now?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
I love that Evo, that classic Evo. It's one of my
Bloody
favourite
hell.
things ever. Getting that is a mechanical feel. It's so fun.
Crazy, this. She's like fucking instant power.
Yeah, this turbo's good. Though.
Sick.
Comes in.
Is that wheel arching?
Yeah, because the car sits wide.
Yeah. Mate, the car is planted as well. Look, it just hooks the road. Fucking. It's not that jarring. It's still alright. You know,
There
it is loud, but it's, yeah.
It's going to be light on the
Yeah.
floor. It's quiet. With the resonator, it'll be a bit more friendly.
Yeah,
long
yeah.
distance. I like it because I can just jump in it. It's comfortable. It's
Yeah.
chilling.
Putting the resin, will that affect the power or
No,
not?
it's
not
just
so
the
much?
fun factor's a little bit less.
Right.
Craziness.
Mhm.
So next feature I'm going to show you.
Yeah.
Call it launch.
Right.
Gear down.
Yeah.
It's activated for the most aggressive setting gear.
Right. What the fuck? So wait, you can just do that whilst driving?
Yes.
It's like anti-lag and
Yeah. Make it more aggressive now.
Yo, this car's mad, bro.
A few different settings I've got. They're all anti-lag. Got a nice pop and bang one as well. This is great for scare cam.
No way. What the fuck? So whilst driving, you can just say it, start popping it
Yeah, I
back.
can just
Fucking hell, yo. Bro, this car is mad.
need more power now.
Mate, this is enough power, this, because mine's only on 340 something. I jump in this. So you're probably used to this power now, innit?
Yeah.
No, you need more.
This one.
This one, man.
Teaser with it. Show what real car
Bloody hell. This is sick, this. Bro, that is sick. So you do.
is. It's enjoyable.
It's fucking mental, that.
If you're around town and stuff,
Yeah.
I am now. It's just chilling to drive.
Mm.
The gearbox is nice. It's not snatchy. It's not.
Yeah.
It's got 7-speed DQ 500 in it. It's just a pleasant car to
Yeah.
drive. It's nice, it's comfortable. I get in it and I'm like, yeah, it's chilling.
Mm.
And then I get my Ferrari. I just want to drive it and drive
Yeah.
it and drive it. I love it. But the thing with Ferraris, you just can't park it anywhere. I can't.
Yeah.
It's say, oh yeah, lads, I'll meet you around corner or something, and just park it, so I'm
Oh,
really
right.
careful about
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
I get really paranoid about it, you know, just being suspected of dents, marks and stuff
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
With this, I can just,
All right, yeah.
it's a golf.
Just chilling, yeah.
It's a golf, but it's not a golf, but it's a golf.
You know.
Enjoy it.
So you built it, and for years just had no problem.
No.
Just a few loose leaks here and there.
It's just the first time I've really had a big loose leak.
Yeah,
That's
right.
absolutely gutting the hell out of it.
How's the drivetrain though? See, when you launch it, it's proper like.
I've done a drive shaft on the front right,
Yeah.
which is due a change now, but
Right,
it's still
right.
not knackered to the point where I can't drive the car. It does vibrate randomly under heavy braking.
Right, right.
But there's no actual issues.
Yeah.
The rear section of the car,
Because
there's
when
no
it
problem.
launches, it's just like.
Yeah.
Yo, this car's like glue. It's like a little go-kart. Bro, I'm just surprised by that speedo. It just.
That speedo is big.
Fuck me, the video was like non-saying bye.
I can't wait for a bigger tower. It's going to clock it. I've done
Have you-
180 in this car.
180.
It
Is that
would've
where
done-
it max?
would have done the 200. but
Right,
I ran out of road in Mexico.
right. Yeah. Bloody
And that was
hell.
a point where I didn't know the car too well.
No,
I
right,
just
right.
built it.
Yeah. I think it will get to 200
It
and
will
more.
do, it will do
Fucking
the
hell.
200. With a bigger turbo on, and once I built the engine,
Yeah.
revving out a little bit more,
Yeah, yeah.
it's going to do the 200. Then you can drive it civilly, just put it in drive, just nice.
Yeah, nice and normal.
That's it. Nice chilling drive.
Yeah, look. You wouldn't even know it's got
You wouldn't
RS3 engine in it.
Hooligan in a loud Golf.
Yeah.
Could be a 1.4.
Yeah. Yeah, because driving them is calm.
Just chilling.
Fucking sick.
Just chilling. 6 gear now.
Bloody hell.
No issues.
Man, this car's mental.
Still got a few things to do. I've got to finish the level sensors off so I can get my headlights moving again.
Yeah.
I bought the level sensors, I've just got to sort a little
Is that what that light's on for?
Yeah. And then I've got airbag light because I need to just sort my seats out.
Yeah.
I've just not got around to wiring these seats.
Oh, right,
for
right.
The heating function and the
Oh,
airbag.
right.
So that's something to do on the
Yeah.
card for the next few weeks, or I'll
Right.
do over December when we closed over Christmas holidays. I'll
Right,
get
right.
a little bit of time to myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And just fix it
I've
up.
got to sort my boot out, just put all the lining back in, and then
Right.
I've got my sub to go in there, so
That is beautiful, that.
finish that off. But
Yeah.
otherwise, yeah, I'm pretty much complete except I want a bigger turbo.
That is crazy, yeah. So I think we're back at the unit now. Thanks for that, Dowd, and we shall end this here. Thanks for watching.
Oh,